गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे स्फेरिकल लेंस के बारे में। दो टाइप का स्फेरिकल लेंस होता है, एक को कन्वर्जिंग लेंस या कन्वेक्स लेंस कहा जाता है। कन्वर्जिंग लेंस का मतलब होता है, कन्वर्जिंग लेंस हम क्यों बोलते हैं, देखिए ये एक इंसिडेंट रे है, ठीक है। इंसिडेंट रे जो है पैरेलल टू प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस। Principal axis of lens. So this ray is parallel to principal axis. Here this ray will get refracted and it will pass through F1. What is F1? F1 is called focus center. So when parallel rays pass through this lens, it will get refracted through the focus F1. So the center of the pole C and F1, this is called focal length. This is called focal length. CF2 will be also a focal length. Okay, so there will be two focal lengths, CF1 and CF2. But in this case, when the ray is passing this way, incident of the ray is this phase, that case the CF1 will be the focal length, and because this distance is along the incident ray, CF1 is measured along the incident ray, so this focal length is taken as positive. So this is taken as positive. This we will write as, say, F1, focal length F1 will be taken as positive in the case of converging lens or convex lens. Now second case, concave lens. You see this picture, this is concave lens. This is your incident ray parallel to principal axis. This is incident ray parallel to principal axis. This ray is not converging here, this ray is getting diverged. This is getting diverged. So the virtual, it is meeting, passing through the focus F1 virtually. So this ray is diverging from the principal axis, away from the principal axis. That is why this is called is diverging lens. And here the focus length, the focal length CF1, focal length CF1 will be taken as negative because this distance we are measuring against the path of incident ray. So this is taken as negative. Focal length CF1 will be taken as negative. So you must remember that the focal length of a convex lens will be taken as positive and diverging lens, the focal length will be taken as negative. Furthermore, I want to tell you that there is a relation between the power of lens and focal length. Power of lens and focal length. Power of converging lens, here power is P is equal to 1 by F1. Power of converging lens will be equal to P is equal to 1 by F1, and the unit of this will be D. D means diopter. So power will be equal to 1 by F1 D for converging lens. For diverging lens, power will be equal to minus 1 by, say, F1 D. So for diverging lens, power will be negative, and for the converging lens power will be D. Power will be positive. The f1 here, the focal length must be measured in meter. If it is in centimeter, then you have to convert to meter. So this must be in meter here. F1 must be in meter. Here also F1 must be in meter. This should be in meter. Suppose it is given in some other unit, you have to convert to meter for power calculation for the lens. I hope you will find this video very interesting. Thank you.